Hey, what's going on, guys? Assault here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the var tag. So no, it's not variable, even though it means variable, but it's for the coding purposes. For only you can look like so that you look like a coder written it. So this is the way you can do this. It's just a way to type words in the HTML. So what we're gonna do first, go here, remove all of that, use the var keyword and type like variable. When you do that, you can see there's different way of typing, even though if I check in another tag like p, and you will see that it's so different. So this is the work of the variable tag or var tag. So hope you guys understand. See you guys in the next tutorial.